Want to share your custom AI agent with the world? In Copilot Studio, you can. Hey, I'm Willis. In this week's Copilot Tip of the Week, we're finishing up your introductory agent journey with personalization and publishing. Change icon, language, intro message. Make your agent unique. Give it a custom icon, update the language, and write a warm welcome message like, "Hi there. I'm here to help you all learn about agents." Next, suggested prompts. Copilot can recommend questions users might ask, like, "What is an agent?" or "How do I create an agent?" Publish workflow. Demo website. Ready to go live? Hit publish, and Copilot gives you a demo website URL you can share. Now anyone can interact with your agent, no install required. That's the full journey. Build, test, publish. With Copilot Studio, making smart agents is just that simple. See you next time with another Copilot Tip of the Week.